pleasure take you on a trip in our Vande Bharat Express through some of the fascinating revolutions. This project is based on the revolutions from 1947 to 2024. Has, these revolutions has been played a major role in shaping our country significantly. So, revolutions from 1947 to 2024 has been marked very significantly by exploring their causes, identifying the key events, and examining their historical context. So now, first event, Independence Indian Movement. So, although India gained independence in 1947, the movement itself was a culmination through various protests and revolts. So, the great leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi started mobilizing the masses.
Next is the Green Revolution. The Green Revolution was started in
ఇది వేరే అది వేరా
మొత్తం ఒకటి.
ఓకే ఓకే
It was started in the 1960 as a part of becoming independent India. Before the independence, India used to export its food grains from countries like China. So as becoming an independent country, India started growing its own food crops by using HYVCs and modern techniques. And it also introduced technology in agriculture. So now India is using most advanced technology to grow its own crops. Now let's come to the Industrial Revolution. The first industrial revolution was started in 1847 when India opened its first steam-powered cotton mill in Bombay. And it was reborn in 1970 when the industrial workers started reforms so that they could get high wages and high benefits. Coming to the economic reforms. Economic reforms were started in the 1991 by the Narasimha Rao government during the economic crisis. They focus on the key factors like privatization, liberalization and globalization. Coming to the smart cities. Smart cities shows an example of how the cities are developed in the past 50 years and how the cities became one of the most important factor of the country. Not only the cities but the villages have also been developed under the rule of Narendra Modi as the focus is more on the villages. The villages have become self-empowered by developing their own hospitals, schools and other things. Now India is focusing on the future projects like the Bangalore Metro, the Mumbai Airport and the underwater exchange of oil and water from India to Dubai.
In conclusion, the revolutions from the period from 1947 to 2024 has been marked as significant through its revolutions